Now here's a tasty recipe for a great city. 1 part nightlife, 2 parts cuisine, 3 parts scenery. Now just add water and you've got Miami with all its appetizing possibilities. Come taste for yourself this August and September. It's the 10th annual Miami Spice Restaurant Month, presented by American Express with Aqua Panna, Moet Hennessy, and Stella Artois as official sponsors. A citywide feast with more than 125 world-class restaurants featuring some of the world's best chefs. Dinner at participating restaurants is at a fixed price at only $35, an incredible value at Miami's most exclusive restaurants. And lunch is only $22. So join us in Miami, one of the world's spiciest destinations. Miami Spice Restaurant Month, this August and September. Miami never tasted so good. More than 125 world-class restaurants await you this August and September during Miami Spice Restaurant Month. Miami Spice is organized by the Greater Miami Convention and Visitors Bureau. For all the latest, go to www.ilovemiamispice.com.